Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download Golf Clash application on your iOS device. To download and install Golf Clash on your iOS device, first of all, open up your App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Golf Clash. You will then find this application. Golf Clash is a popular mobile game where players compete in real-time golf matches against opponents from around the world. Tap the Get button or the little cloud button with the arrow in it to start the download process. Follow through the prompts, and you may also need to sign in with your Apple ID and password or with your Face ID or Touch ID. Soon after you do that, you will then start downloading the app, and after a minute, tap on the Open button to open up Golf Clash on your iOS device. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.